What's up, everybody? It is Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today, bringing you this new arrival. Just got this car in, 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this car. And man, whew, the paint is gorgeous. Just gorgeous paint. It's got a good run in small block. The trunk is nice. I'm going to dive deeper into here, but I'm going to let you listen to the no better sound than a nice small block with Flowmasters. I'm going to rev it up for you. Really healthy. Throttle response is insanely good. 4-speed manual transmission. This car drives wonderful. Let's go ahead and cut it off. I'm gonna go through everything with you. First, actually, I'll show you the heat. Let's turn it back on. I do not hear the heat, so I would believe it's inoperable. Radio's inoperable. It's just got the factory AM. Wipers, they work. All the lights do work, but I could try the turn signals. Let's try the turning signals. They appear to be inoperable because they're not even showing up on the dash, but I believe that's the only thing. And the horn doesn't work. So turn signals inoperable. Engine bay is extremely clean. Let's go ahead and shut these lights off. It's got an SS hood. Gorgeous blue paint. When I say gorgeous, this is show quality paint. Really nice paint. 18-inch torque thrust wheels. This car is ready to be a show winner. Engine bay really clean, really nicely done. Engine's clean, and it's got quite the amount of high performance goodies. Some nice headers. MSD ignition system. You hear it's got a cam, Edelbrock, RPM air gap intake manifold, aluminum radiator, which this thing, it was warmed up and it's not, the radiator's not even hot, so. Disc brakes in the front. I think the back is, yep, back is still drum. All your badges are there. It's got SS badges on it. Like I said, it's got the SS hood. There's your trim tag. I have a picture of it on the website. Hood closes nicely. Body gaps line up good. A little bit off over here, but that's about it. This body on this car is extremely straight. Extremely. I mean, this is a really nice car. Deluxe interior. So, different seats. It's got those lights there in the back. Door panels are different. The deluxe interior is just a treat. You got the gauges in the console. Just a gorgeous car. I love this car. Wow. Like I said, 4-speed manual. The car drives wonderful. I mean, it drives really good. And I'm a Camaro guy, and this is one of the cleanest Camaros that we've come across for this price point. Trunk floor is clean. We have this car priced pretty good. I think it's got original quarters too. Like I said, the paint on this car is gorgeous. It has a gorgeous paint job. I have underneath photos on the website. This is just an outstanding car for the price. 3-point seat belts were added, if you care about that, which is pretty good safety. But overall, like I said, I really can't say anything negative about this car personally. Like I said, the turning signals are inoperable at this time, and the horn and the heater. But other than that, the only thing that really need to be addressed is the horn and the turning signals. The heater, you don't really need that in a classic car. But other than that, like I said, I can't say anything negative. This is a gorgeous car. The only paint flaw I could find is this chip right here. That's literally the only paint flaw I could find in the car. And then like another chip right there. Tiny, tiny chips. But other than that, really nice paint, shines nice. Wheels are in great shape. Doors open and close nicely. Windows roll up and down very nicely. Just smooth like butter. Nice. So come on out, everybody. MGM Classic Cars. We got them. We own them. 250 cars under one roof. Stop on by. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We have a full service center for anything that needs to be addressed, but our cars are sold as is unless stated otherwise. Our business hour, I already said our business hours. Our business phone number is 847-848-1850. Give us a call, 847-848-1850. Visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com, and let's get you to bring this baby home. What a gorgeous first-generation Camaro 67. Really nice blue, white stripes. This car is a treat. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I want to wish everyone to have a great day. And remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. See you soon at MGM Classic Cars. Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.